Hey there, and welcome to this live trade for Rapid Results Method. We are on the Euro USD. This is the 4-hour time frame. Now, we've got a potential setup happening to go long here. All the requirements are met, and right now, this dot that's above the price is something we are looking for the market to touch. Once that happens, we will get our signal and we can enter the trade. If I do get that signal, I'm going to enter the trade, and I'll be right back. So we did get that signal to enter the trade, and we got in here. Our take profit is above the price up here, and down below is our stop loss. We are in this trade now, and all that remains is to see how this trade plays out. So I'm going to let this trade play out, and once this trade is over, I will return. I'm back, and we had a really nice trade. We were taken out with full profit on this trade. Now, if I measure this trade, we're looking at a profit of 91 pips, and that was a trade worth $1,810. Now, this was another stellar trade from the Rapid Results Method Trading System. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another live trade video. Hey there, welcome to this live trade for Rapid Results Method. We are looking at the pound Japanese yen, and this is the 1-hour time frame. Right now, we have a potential buy setup happening. The moving averages are in alignment. The dot has switched to under the market, and the DPI is yellow. Now, what I'm waiting for is this candle to close. And if it closes in or near this position, I will be entering the buy trade. So if I get that buy signal, I will enter the trade and I'll be back. I got the signal, the candle closed a little bit higher, which is perfectly okay. I entered the trade here, and up here is the take profit, and of course underneath is my stop loss. Now that I am in this trade, all there is left to do is let this trade play out. I'll record this trade as it does play out, and when it's over, I will return. I have returned, and this trade was really nice. We got the full profit on this one, and if I measure it, we can see that it's for about 75 pips. For this trade, that amounted to $1,160.23. This was yet another successful trade using the RRM system. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next live trade video. Hey there, and welcome to this live trade. We are looking at the Euro Japanese yen on the 4-hour time frame, and right now we should be in a trade. We got this signal as the moving averages are in alignment, and we had the market pull back as we needed to. The DPI is red. We got the signal when this dot showed up above the price here, and before the market goes too far without me, I'm going to get into this sell trade. I am back, and let's fix this chart up a little bit here. All right, now we can see that I have entered the trade. The price has moved a little bit before I got in, but that's okay. Up here is a stop loss, and down here is the take profit. What we want is for the price to continue with this overall trend. And with that, I'm simply going to let the trade play out. And when this trade is over, I will be back. I'm back, and this was a really nice trade. That downtrend kept moving like we had hoped, and if I measure this movement, it looks to be about 193 pips, and that gave us a trade worth $2,994.49. This was another wonderful trade using the Rapid Results Method Trading System. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another live trade video. Hey there, welcome to this live trade. This is for Rapid Results Method, and we are trading the pound Japanese yen on the 4-hour time frame. Now, we've got a sell set up right now. The moving averages are lined up the way we want them to be. The dots are above the price, and the DPI is currently red. We have the pullback, and now we've got the cross below the moving averages. And if this candle closes in this general position, we will be good to take that sell trade. Now, again, if this candle closes and all the criteria is still met, I will place that sell trade, so I'll be right back. I'm back, and we took that sell trade at the close of this candle. You can see that the entry is here. Above is the stop loss, and below is the take profit. I am now going to let this trade play out, and once this trade is closed, I will come back. I am back as this trade is closed. This is about as straightforward as it gets. Let's measure this trade. It shows us that we got just over 200 pips. This results in a trade that earned us $3,077.80. This was a magical trade courtesy of the Rapid Results Method. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next live trade video.
Hey guys, this is Russ Horn, and I've just opened a sell trade on the Australian dollar US dollar 1 minute time frame. As usual, all the rules of the Rapid Results Method System were met. We opened the short trade, and we're good. So I've got confirmation from the DPI indicator here. There is a lot of other stuff going on in the charts that you can't see, but you can see the DPI is telling us only to look for short trades. So now I'm going to place my stop loss and take profit. All right, I've got them placed, my stop loss above here, my take profit down here, my entry. So what the case is, we're looking at the 1 minute time frame. So I'm only going for about 5 pips on this one. Well, there was a little bit of chop in the market, but we did get hit. Our take profit got hit fairly easily. There was a lot of kind of sideways stutter in the market, but we got $5,100 on the trade. Entry was here. Our stop loss was up here. Price did pull back a little bit, but not very close to our stop loss. We were safe. Take profit here. It got hit, and it was a good trade. I mean, all the other indicators did tell us that we needed to keep looking short. We got our profits. It was a good trade. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.